everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you all the information regarding our new course which we are going to launch from the 25th of September. Now, talking about the course, as you all know that we have our previous examination on the 17th of September. Following the same, we have to start preparing for our next examination without wasting any time. So, for that matter itself, we are starting off with a new course on Botany Insider. But this time, the course would be conducted on our application. Yes, Botany Insider have its own application now for all the students to make the learning, to make the process of learning more interesting and more student-centered. You can download the app from the Play Store. You just have to write down Botany Insider on the search bar and you can download the same. So, talking about the course that we are going to start, it would be a 60 class live course in which we would be conducting a very structured course in which the classes would be done on daily basis. We would be having a live session daily. Recordings for the session would be provided to you on the app itself. You can join in the live session, or if by chance you miss out any live session, do not worry, you have the recorded lectures as well. In addition to that, we would be having the tests conducted on weekly basis. We would be having doubt sessions as well. In addition, you can also interact personally with me on the live class itself. I hope this particular course would be helpful for you. It would provide you a deeper understanding regarding how you can prepare for the examination. So, without wasting any time, enroll in this particular course and strengthen your preparation for the upcoming examination and get qualified in this attempt. So, talking about how you can enroll, let me give you a quick guide regarding how you can enroll in the course so that you can have a better understanding for the same. If you wish to enroll in this particular course, all you have to click is you have to pay a minimal amount, that is 1000 rupees. You have to click on buy now. Before that, talking about the various features of this course, in this particular course you will be getting 60 live classes. That means in total 60 classes would be provided to you in which you can interact with me directly. All the courses, all the live classes would be held on my app itself. You'll get the recordings of all the videos on the app itself. So, even if you miss out any live session, you will be able to join, you will be able to watch the recorded lecture and make your notes. In addition to the same, we will be having various doubt sessions on every weekend. Also, tests would be provided to you. We will be having structured and very time-bound tests so that you can have a real-time experience of the main examination. So this was about for this particular course. How you can purchase this course, you have to click on buy now. You will be taken forward to the next particular page, that is this one. You can enter your email ID and then proceed. As in when you proceed in this, then you can choose down whichever thing or whichever mode you want to use for paying off the amount, and then you can enroll in this particular course. In the same manner, we have various other courses as well. This was about for this particular video. Do not forget that you can download the app, get registered in it. You'll get many offers. You'll get many more quality content from the app and from the YouTube channel itself. So do not forget that Botany Insider is always here for you to help you out in your preparation. So I hope you understood about how you can enroll in this particular course. Do not wait for the last moment and get enrolled in the course as soon as possible. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also get joined with me on the application as well. Till then, keep learning.